Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside Imovie, so open the project you want and go straight to the clip, no detours. Move the playhead to the precise frame you want as the thumbnail, using the arrow keys for fine control so pixels line up. Once you have the frame, make sure it's visually balanced and clear. Thumbnails must read small. If needed, trim a hair of footage to land on the best frame and keep the playhead steady before the next step. Once you've paused on the frame, create a still image. Add a freeze frame or export the frame via share file so you have a standalone image. Choose 16:9 and pick 1280 x 720 or 1920 x 1080 to keep clarity. Higher resolution scales better on platforms. Make sure to name the image so you can find it fast. After export, open the image quickly to confirm colors and crop. Adjust in Preview or Photos, if necessary, before uploading as your thumbnail. Finally, upload the exported image as your custom thumbnail on the platform hosting the video, YouTube, Vimeo, or elsewhere, making sure it replaces the current one. If the thumbnail appears cropped or pixelated, check aspect ratio and the safe area composition. Sometimes color shifts happen if the profile isn't sRGB, so convert if needed. If the platform won't accept the file, clear your browser cache, re-export at a standard size, or convert the image to JPEG or PNG. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.